Hi, you're watching ERS-7 101, a brand new miniseries to help you get the most out of your Sony AIBO ERS-7. The ERS-7, released in 2003, was the last model to be released up until AIBO's discontinuation in 2006. Over its lifespan, the ERS-7 came in 3 different colors: the original Pearl White, Pearl Black, released in 2004, and Champagne Gold, released in 2005. The official software for the ERS-7 existed as a single personality called Mine, which received upgrades and service pack updates over time. In this episode, we are going to cover the basics of the ERS-7 and some of the exciting things found in AIBO Mine 3. Before you proceed, be sure to put both the memory stick and the battery into your AIBO and charge it up. Once your AIBO is fully charged, the pump will stop pumping and all 3 bars will be displayed. If the amber LED on the power light is blinking and so is the charge status on the station core, then that means something is wrong. Once your AIBO is fully charged, then take your AIBO off the station and power it on. You'll hear a short chime, and then shortly after, the AIBO will begin to boot. You will hear a boot tune and see an animation and LED sequence that indicates that the AIBO is booting. After your AIBO is finished booting, it will stretch and then the backlight will turn orange. This indicates that your AIBO has entered autonomous mode. On first boot, you may be asked to choose between voice sounds or basic sounds. While in autonomous mode, your AIBO will interact with you, play with the bone and the ball, and discover the world around it. You can also interact with AIBO through various different ways, like through touch and by different voice commands. I have good news.
I want to hear about it.
My Nana and I are going to get your battery sold soon.
Fantastic.
On Mine 3, you can select if you want your AIBO to speak or not. This setting can be changed within the voice guide mode. To do this, hold down the front and rear back sensors until you hear a ding. Then, follow the instructions as said by the AIBO.
To enter game mode, touch blue. To set up custom data, touch orange. To change games, touch blue. To change custom data, touch orange. To set sounds in autonomous mode, touch red. The current setting is voice sounds. To change the basic sounds, touch blue. To change the voice sounds, touch orange. To change the user sounds, touch red. The setting has been changed to basic sounds.
Your AIBO will now speak using tones and sounds to communicate. What's up? Your AIBO can also enter game mode as well. To do this, follow the instructions in the voice guide mode and select the game number. You can also install new games through Custom Manager. You can set up your hourly chimes and alarms, and you can also run clinic mode in case something's wrong with your AIBO. In the next episode, I will show you how to set up the clock of your ERS-7, as well as set the wake up time, bedtime, and hourly alerts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.